In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Pro subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review and manage your Perplexity Pro plan with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Perplexity website. Make sure you're signed into the same account you use for your Pro plan. If you're not logged in yet, click the Sign In option and enter your credentials. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right account by checking the avatar or initial that appears once you're signed in. Once you're on the site and logged in, look toward the bottom left corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. This is your entry point to account settings. If you're on a smaller screen or if the sidebar is collapsed, you may need to expand the menu first so the bottom left profile area becomes visible. Clicking your profile icon opens a quick access area for your account options. Inside that menu, navigate to the section labeled Upgrade Plan. This is the dedicated area where subscription management lives. Even if you're already on Pro, this is still the place to view your current plan details and access the options related to your subscription. Think of it as the control center for anything to do with your plan. When you enter the Upgrade Plan section, you'll typically see information about your current status, including which plan you're on and other helpful details about your membership. This page is designed to give you clarity at a glance, so take a moment to review what's displayed. If you're exploring plan options, use this page to understand the benefits associated with different tiers and how they might fit your needs. A few quick tips for a smooth experience. Refresh the page if elements don't load right away, and consider using a desktop browser for the clearest layout. If the Upgrade Plan section doesn't appear immediately, double-check that you're logged into the correct account and that the sidebar is expanded so the profile icon and related menu are visible. That's all there is to it. To manage your Perplexity Pro subscription, log into your account on the website, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, and head to the Upgrade Plan section. From there, everything you need to review and manage your plan is in one place, ready when you are. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get exactly where you need to go.